Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is what you could just about call a plant room. It's got a boiler in here, a cold water storage tank, which is currently filling up. And what else do we have here? Little step. So basically, I came here before. You may have seen me in a previous video trying to change the pilot, or should I say the thermocouple on this. I changed the thermocouple. For some crazy reason, the thing has gone off again. I don't know what it's for. I don't know if it's the gas solenoid that's tripped or something that's gone wrong here, but I can't see why this would go off. It doesn't make any sense. Pump's running. It's lagging here. I wonder what kind of lagging this is. Have to be careful with sites sometimes, what kind of lagging you've got and so on. There could be asbestos somewhere, no one knows of it. So I tried to find out when you're going to new sites about the asbestos and so on. It should be made more readily available, but unfortunately it's not. But before you especially disturb anything, like if you start playing with any lagging, things like that, or drilling, obviously watch out. Yeah. Also, don't sweep the floor. Try not to sweep the floor or do any sort of knocking about of dust up in the air, because you don't know where it's coming. You don't know what's in the ceiling. Some things get missed. So what's in this plant room? I don't know why the flue's taped up. Gonna have to mention that, or in this, what is that all about? Yeah, silver tape around flues I don't like. So that up there is the draft stabilizer. What else do we have here? In this plant room, expansion vessel, obviously, pressurization unit. Let's look at this pressurization unit. Where have they got it? Oh, it's around this side. Okay. This is a Lowara pressurization unit showing 1.4 bar. Can I look in this one easily? Well, I need a bit of light. One pump in there. What else do we have inside here? They've gone through these, haven't they? I don't think I've ever seen so many in a plant room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they've really gone through these. It's because there's holes in them. They've got different holes. Little baby solenoid down there. Very tiny. And what else do we have in this plant room? Let's have a look over here. Not sure what valve this is. Not seen it before. It's a Satchwell, I believe. And then this is the flow switch. Changed one of these before, only once. Well, let me get down. Okay, so only once. And what else do we have in here? Lagging missing. Gas pipe could be clipped. There's a bit of movement on it. I don't like gas pipes moving at all. The flute, it's not moving much, but I don't like the silver tape on that. I haven't done a service here yet, but if I was doing a service, I'd be wanting to carry out a flue flow test on that for sure. What else we got inside here? This is a bit of a weird concoction in a plant room, isn't it? The, cold water storage tank. Then you've got a little step here that you have to jump over. This is what consists of their BMS panel, or whatever it is. It's not got much on it. Guess you got to turn the power off to get into this one. There's sockets here, which is nice. Many plant rooms don't have sockets, if you can call this a plant room. So this is a Concord, Ideal Concord CX. What model? It is a CX100. So just hold down on here and spark away. Not sure if I can do it with one hand. No, I'll turn it on and show you. Okay, so we've got the pilot lit. Can you see it? Don't know if you can see through the hole. But sometimes these can blow out. So be careful of that. When they light, it hasn't come on yet? No. Okay, that's weird. I just changed this like a few weeks ago. I'm surprised it's gone out. It could be a problem with the gas. I'm gonna have to check the gas supply. Okay, so we clearly got gas. So this is very frustrating. Let's try to light the pilot again. It went out. Oh my days. It took like 30 seconds or more for a new thermocouple to hold the flame in order for the main burner to come on. I don't know why it took so long. Why did I have to hold it for like 30 seconds? I'm just wondering, once it gets here, if it's making a good connection. And then what if the signal is like, is there something else I can change? I'm going to contact Ideal to find out if there's something else I can do, so that the I don't know, so that it's just the sensitivity is changed, or what else can I do? I saw a bit of dust or dirt sort of like on the thermocouple, but if I've seen 3 thermocouples here, it makes me wonder if something else has occurred, but wow, I don't want this thing to go out. And hope that it stays on as long as possible, because the pilot seems like it could blow out quite easily, but there's a lot of breeze in here as well through the windows and so on. Put in the comments what you think about it. Yeah, this plant room, did I miss anything inside here that you've not seen? What is this up here? That looks like some form of temperature sensor. I'm not sure what make it is. Okay, that's just screwed straight into the pipe. That gate valve over there, what is that up there? Is that it's a vent? 2 vents. Oh, nice. Manual and automatic, I think. Have I missed anything in here? Some buildings, I'm surprised that they put one boiler in rather than 2. I never get that. Like, I think it's good to have 2 boilers, 2 pumps, etc. 2 of everything. And it got everything I could. I don't think this plant room is missing anything. It's got ventilation. It's got that door you can get out of. It's got fire extinguisher. Don't know if there needs to be a safety mat here. The voltage in here probably ain't that great. I'm not sure what phase, if that's a single phase pump or 3-phase, probably single phase with a capacitor in there. Yeah, all right. Okay, let me know what you think of this plant room in the comments. Until next time, bye.